Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Ken coming at you from Ken.com. Reviews of a few things you use. And today I am going to review. Well, not really review. I'm going to, I guess you could say review. I'm going to let you know my feelings about this tool. The Shell or Shell. Shell. This Shell grinder cutter tool. I've had it for a little while now, maybe a couple of months. And I'm telling you guys, this joker is alright. It's alright. I've used every feature on here. From the dial, we'll see how my finger can get to it real easy. It's great. To the lock, I've used this. And I've used the handles. I started without the handle at first. And then I use a handle and the guard. I mean, you never know how important that guard is until it happens to you. Hasn't happened to me yet, and I don't want it to happen. Shell, man. I like this unit. It's nice and heavy. I can't say that I've had too many experiences with with what do you call these things? With cutters before. But with the experience that I have, I would say by far I wouldn't go back to that other one. And that other one was good. It lasted a long time. It was a Black & Decker. I think I got it from, I don't know where I got it from. But the reason why I'm making this video is because my sweetheart says that no one wants the commentary. She's probably right. No one wants to know about what you can do and all that. It is what you. They just want you to give an insight on what you're doing. And in any case, I'm getting ready to, not what you're doing, on what the product that you're trying to display. So in any case, I'm working on my fire here. And, sorry guys. And I need to cut a hole. Right there. And I was looking for something to cut it with. Let's see. Can you see that? Can't see that, can you? Let this down a little bit. I know you're not interested, but what the hell? You can fast forward. Because I'm going to show you, I'm going to use this tool. And how much I like using this tool. So I need to cut that hole. It's at an angle right now, but I was getting ready to eat it out with my vice grips, but I said, no, don't do that. I need to cut about that much off. So I said, let me go find my tool. So I went and found my tool, but there's another piece on the end of here that you need, another tool to take that off. So I found it, and that's what made me say I believe that I should do a video on this thing, because I recommend it. Let's see. I found a tool, but I don't even know what I did with it. Smack. Okay. Where's the damn thing? Where did it go? Yeah. Let's see, I can't even see it. Man, I tell you, man, it's just rough, ain't it? Ha 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 ha. Anyway, trust me, it's down there. I have no idea what it is. I can't even tell you where it's going. Ready to break my phone? There it is. Guys, let me back out some. I'm gonna have to cut all of this out. You guys going to fast forward while I focus on this location of this thing. There you go. Man. Huh. Anyway, inside of that, I got these. Inside of the box, came in a really nice box. Really nice box. Almost make me want to get a special box for it myself. Yeah, it's a really nice tool, guys. Really nice tool. I think it's a nice tool. What is that? It says 7.5 amp, 4.5 variable speed angle grinder. Really nice. Anyway, it came with all of these. I think I got like 3 cutting discs, 3 sanding discs, and 2 of these. 2 of these buffing discs or something. Yeah, just watch yourself. The wire get in your fingers. And it came with 2 of these. I'm sure there's a reason, I guess, so it can accommodate the other, see how that is. I guess so it can accommodate the brushes. The other one, I don't think it's quite that wide. So this one is not wide, but this other one is wider. So right now I have, whoa, good catch there. Right now I have a sanding or grinding wheel on it, so I need to take it off. And I found the tool, but I messed around and lost it. Hold on. Well, I found one. This tool right here. Now, I don't think this is the tool that I had at first, but this comes from my Black & Decker one, and I'm gonna use it anyway. Should work. Well, what you have to do is you have to press this button down here, and that's gonna lock the wheel in place. Then after you lock the wheel in place, then you take that tool and you set it in there, and to unlock it, you go counterclockwise. Gotta put some power behind it, so don't kill yourself. That wheel gonna lock in place even if you let go, as long as you put enough tension on it. Okay. Now the tools, I've unlocked it. Take that off. Nice, very nice. I sanded down or ground down some steel with that. put the grinder on because I need to do some cutting. You know, I should get 2 of these things, man, because it was a reasonable price, very reasonable, much more reasonably priced than I think it was the Skill. The Skill. It reminds me of Skill. That's what it does. And I don't know. And also that other one, that expensive one. I forget the name of it. Snap-on or something. And, so I'm just gonna take this and tighten it up. Don't want to hurt myself. You know, naturally, you gotta protect yourself. Don't kill yourself around these tools, guys. Don't put your eye out either. Alright, so there you go. On and off. I'm going to be using it here to cut out that hole over there. And you guys, I recommend this, man. This thing is nice. I don't know if there's a program or, you know, a warranty program on it, but I mean, I like it. Of course, I might even be reviewing this thing in a couple of years and sticking around with it. I mean, they did a good job branding this. So, you guys take it easy. I highly recommend the Shell 4.5-inch grinder. I've used it quite a bit today. I'm going to use it today on this hole here. And you guys just go ahead on and give it a try, you know. I mean, if you need a new grinder, we all know what grinders do. They grind and they cut. You know. So you go ahead on and, you know, and check out what everybody else got to say about that link in the description below and let me know. Talk to y'all later.